There are a lot of choices when it comes to red light therapy, and this isn't just for women. It is also for men too. I use red light therapy probably 3 to 5 times a week, and I love it. I stick by it. In this review, what I want to do is go over everything that you're going to get. We're going to go over the quality of this. We're going to flip it over. We're going to show you the LEDs, how you put it on. And I'm also going to show you the controller, because there's a couple things on here I did not realize at first when I first started using this. I really went through the manual, and so it's very important to go ahead and follow the manual, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So when you do receive it, you do get a little storage bag. It's kind of a soft velvet type material to go ahead and put everything in there. We also get a power cord and the user manual, which I'm going to go over here in just a minute. But then we've got the mask itself. Right away, you're going to notice this is a little bit different than others. It does have some neck LEDs, which I love that it's attached. You don't need a separate LED mask slash neck to go ahead and treat your skin. It is all connected here. This is all medical grade silicone. Of course, we've got our nose right here, which we've got the LEDs located on the back side here. And it's just really nice and smooth. And we've got the remote control, which we'll get to here in just a second, because it's pretty important. Now you can see here what it looks like on the back side. We do have 150 LEDs. This is all FDA cleared. Now it is recommended to use this 3 to 5 times a week, 10 to 15 minutes for each session. So to turn it on, we're just going to hold that button down for a couple of seconds, and you're going to see several things right here that are pretty important. We've got a level button up there. There are actually 5 different levels or intensities. If you press this button right here, the on button, it's going to go ahead and change that, and you can see it is getting brighter, and both also the levels are being displayed right there through a graph. We've got the battery level. We've also got a timer. Now what it does is it presets to 10 minutes, but you can go ahead and change that to anything you want to, but 10 to 15 is what's recommended. Right now we're using the color red, but if you press the color button right here, it says blue. You're going to see that change to B. And then if I press it again, it's going to say R and B. Since there are 6 modes to get the best effect, just make sure you do read the manual. Now when you do connect this, connect it up to the top. The bottom port is actually for charging the unit up. So this is held together by Velcro right around the neck and right around the head. Now when you do put in the eye cups, just make note that there is an R and an L right here over in the corner. So you just want to make sure you get those in the right spot. But they're easy to put in and take out, especially for cleaning. So it fits really well. It's nice and snug, which is the way I like it, kind of up against my skin. But you can kind of see what it looks like as I go ahead and just change the different colors. I like the red pretty good because it is good for helping with collagen and the elastin. I'm concerned about fine wrinkles and crow's feet and things like that, especially as I get older. But this is a great way to go ahead and treat this. My wife uses this. I use it too on a regular basis, the red light therapy. This is easy to clean. You're just going to go ahead and just wipe it down. Now, when you do use it, you don't want to have any makeup on. So you just want to make sure. My wife likes to use this maybe after she's taken a shower or in the morning before she actually puts any makeup on. I do appreciate the seller sent this to me so I could show you all the features that this has. I do love that we've got a mask and the neck all in one, so that way I don't have to buy 2 separate things. And it does have 150 LEDs with 6 different modes.